All right, y'all, so y'all know we about to be coming up on Mother's Day, and we looking for some things for our mother. And my mother, she loves very thoughtful, sentimental things that you put into thought to. And you know, it doesn't take much. I have some aprons, which to me are perfect gifts for Mother's Day. Y'all ready to see what we got? All right, so I'm gonna show y'all a couple of things, and if y'all interested in any of these, y'all reach out to me, okay? Reach out to your girl. All right. All right, so this is an apron that says mama. It ties, it has pockets and all that good stuff. But what's so cute is if you have a little one, you can also get the mini. So, you know, you do something for your mama, but you got a little girl. Listen, fellas, let me talk to y'all for a minute. Let me talk to y'all. Let me help y'all out. You got a wife and a little one. It's going to feel real special to get this. Mama and Minnie. And they can cook together in the kitchen. They can make memories, mother and daughter. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be real special. So this is a child-size apron. Has little pockets in it. And it says Minnie. I don't know, can y'all see it? Minnie. And this says mama. Okay. I think this is adorable, first of all. This is like one of my favorites because, I mean, guys, fellas, see if you can. Fellas, this is such a thoughtful gift. Like, a mom would love this. Or if you want to get something for your child to present to the mom, it's like, hey mom, I got me an apron. I got you one too. I mean, I'm just trying to help y'all put y'all up on game, okay? So you can have a happy home, happy wife, happy life, happy girl, happy world. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, y'all should go ahead and get these. Reach out to me because these are limited. I don't have very many of these. This says Queen of the Kitchen. There is a crown. There is Queen of the Kitchen, and guess what? We customized these so we can put a name. I can put a name. Why I say we? Me. We is me. We could put it. I could put a name. I could put a name on this one. It has a heart and a spatula. Queen of the Kitchen. Now I'm gonna put this a little closer so you guys can see all of the beauty that is. It is very like shiny, metallic. It is gorgeous. It is black, and of course, fellas. Sons, husbands, get this for your girl. Get this for your wife. Get this for your mama, okay? Queen of the Kitchen. And again, this can be customized. Price is going to depend on the letters, the amount of letters needed for customization, or you can just buy it like this. It is beautiful, y'all. Look at this. This look rich. Look at it. Look at it. I'll put it on. All right, y'all. So this is the Queen of the Kitchen, black. It is available. It is very shiny. This is like really pretty. Ooh, sparkles. And I actually have some that I'm going to customize even more and put some rhinestones in there. But these are the basic ones. And it ain't even basic. It ain't basic. That's what I love. So y'all got to get this. This is fly. I be rocking this up in the kitchen like. You can put your hands up in here, put your recipes, put your phone, whatever. You got pockets. Y'all need to get this. All right, y'all. So we got the Queen of the Kitchen. Y'all just saw. We got the Queen of the Kitchen also available in white. And it is so beautiful. I love the coloring. It's very vibrant. I'm going to put it up close so y'all can see. Queen of the Kitchen. All right. So this is Queen of the Kitchen. I love this. And yeah. You can get this one and put this up here like so. Okay, now this one is special. I'm gonna tell you why. Remember I said we can customize? So this is the Queen of the Kitchen, just like you saw on the other one, but it is customized. Boom. And this is going for Sherry. Y'all see that? So if you want to get something customized, I mean, this is the perfect gift. Everybody like a little customization. It means you put some thought into it. It's very personal, you know? It's a beautiful gift. So you can get this. And I'm actually going to send this one to my mom. And her name is Sherry. So, boom. I can also do this in the black. Now this is just a basic, it's a throwback like soda shop retro, like your mom want to get back, you know, get back, you know what I mean? How she felt back in the day, whatever. This can be customized as well. I will be customizing this one. I think I only have this one left. But anyways, got this one. It says Mama. And right below it is where we put the name for customization. There you go. Listen, you definitely want to get your aprons for your mama, your grandmama, big mama, them. It's a beautiful thing, you know, you buy it. Okay, so the other apron that I have is, we're working on Father's Day aprons. And this is what I have. It says Dad's Barbecue with the flames, So I have this. It also can be customized. You can buy it plain like this. These are coming. They're going to always be in black with the dad, and then in the dad's name if you want to customize. So that is some of the things that I have right now in time for Mother's Day, Father's Day, okay? Birthdays are the best days, whatever. So all you gotta do is drop me a comment. I can share prices with you. You can check it out. You can go, Shop TreseysWorld is where all this will be, where you'll be able to communicate and get this. But just drop me an email, TreseysWorld@gmail.com. That's TreseysWorld, just like my name, @gmail.com. And I will have prices for you, and you can get this right in time for Mother's Day. You better get up on it, because we have limited supplies. Like, I ain't got endless supplies of aprons. I just want you to know it's very limited stock, okay? And it's, you know, handmade. So that's what I gotta tell y'all. Anyways, I got some other stuff I'm working on, but I'll share in another video. I hope you enjoyed this video, y'all. Like, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed it. All right? Tell somebody. I mean, somebody else might be looking for that perfect Mother's Day gift, that perfect Father's Day gift, that perfect birthday gift, or just a gift to say, you know what, Mama, Big Mama, Medea, whatever you call, well, all the names that we call our loved ones, our loved mothers, you know, mother-in-law, you know, whatever. I have these beautiful aprons that you can purchase, and your support is greatly appreciated. It is greatly appreciated, okay? And I want you to enjoy it. I want you to take pictures in it. I want you to tag me in it. I want you to share. I hope you guys enjoy it, okay? And all I want to say is go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today. I got y'all on a gift tip, so make sure you check me out. Shop TreseysWorld, TreseysWorld@gmail.com. That is only for these things, okay? All right, y'all. Have a good day. Bye.